10.5-inch D. Crafted a bone china and accented with 24K gold. Dishwasher safe, not microwave safe. Imported. Backed by the Lenox Lifetime Breakage Replacement Program. The Lenox Holiday dinnerware collection has been part of holiday celebrations for generations. And the Holiday 3-piece dinner plate set will make a wonderful addition to your table for this and every holiday season. Decorated with the cherished holly and berries holiday motif and crafted of Lenox bone china, these plates are also rimmed in precious gold. Top reviews from the United States. Love them. I absolutely love these dishes. I've wanted them for years and finally bought service for 16. They are dishwasher safe, but not microwave safe due to the gold banding on edge. They are worth every penny and intend to expand my set to service for 24. I only had one plate broken upon arrival, and I called in and registered my set, and the company quickly replaced my broken plate. If you're on the fence about buying them because they're pricey, don't be. You won't regret them. I bought the matching glasses and tablecloths too. Glasses weren't broke, which is good because they don't replace those, and the tablecloths were wonderful to the touch and looked high-end.